What's up, dude? On the train. Just took the night train. Excellent sleep down there. I'm gonna go get some coffee, bro. Ride with me to the dining car. Excuse me. That was like my first good sleep in like 3 days, bruh.
At the airport for 5 hours and just leave by 5 minutes.
Yeah, well, I'd rather be, like you said, tired there than like stressed when you're actually still tired, but you got that extra hour of sleep.
Yeah.
This is so different from this winter. Like flowers in bloom and stuff. Crazy, dude.
I love
On that train track transfer. About to switch up to go to Narvik here. We don't have sleeping bunks on the next train, just some seats, but we'll go ahead and ride this next train out until like 6 p.m. tonight. We'll be arriving in Narvik. Got an Airbnb apartment there. It would be nice to kind of chill. I've been kind of in transit the past few days, but my ankle's feeling better. I think putting it up last night, getting a good night's sleep, helped out, brother. So, yeah, man. Here's the views.
The Spoon River Hospital, Louisville, will depart from track 2.
beautiful town. Smile, brother. You up here living?
Nice utility box too.
Put your head out the window, smile.
There's like a lot of water, long, skinny waterfalls like that.
Are there any waterfalls in the Netherlands?
No. Well, maybe small ones in a park, but...
That's one of the man-made ones.
Sorry.
Dude, beautiful.
Narvik train. Probably 130 miles into the Arctic Circle right now. Yeah, there's definitely mountains.
The next stop is Kattejoki, platform on the right side of the train.
Man, I wish trains had like a patio outside on the back that you could just go get like unobstructed views. That would be pretty cool, like a back deck or something. Because I can imagine it would look incredible with this right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Like emptying your head.
Yeah.
And most people do it on the beach.
Yeah.
And then it's there as well.
Oh, nice. Also, this is the sea, I think. I think this is like a fjord, yeah, that links to. So we're beyond the freshwater.
This is wild. Look at the color on the water.
What did you mean by that? Peak, what's that?
P.
Peen.
Yes. It's very Dutch.
Very Dutch. How's it spelled?
P-I-E-N.
Jacob and Zach.
Zach, nice to meet you.
Is it your first time in Norway?
Vibes, brother. Vibes.
My friend, he went up to Abyssio.
Yeah, it was awesome. Magnificent. Oh my gosh. Look at the waterfall.
Yeah. That's insane.
What whisper loud to open the window. Yeah, it's beautiful, dude. This jacket is perfect. I brought all the right clothes. I might even break some of my shorts out.